The GLE BAC8000 on a Talaria. Let's go for a ride. This thing is a beast. We've got it set to, let's see what we have here. This battery is bypassed. Only about 5,000 watts. Let's go up to 8,000. See how simple that is? Save. No PC, no computer, no dongles, none of that crazy nonsense. You could be in the middle of the forest and do all your tuning right here on the GLE dashboard. Let's go for a ride. Woo! It rips. Obviously, I cannot go out all out. I mean, there's people on this trail, but boy, does this change the game. Let's go through this little trail here. It is so quiet. This bike is so quiet, much quieter than the Surron. Just keeps pulling, man. Woo! This is a stock battery, by the way. Literally just stock. It just keeps pulling. What a beauty. So here it is. It is perfect. Looks factory. Perfect fit. Super flush. It just looks fantastic. If you're interested in this kit, feel free to reach out to us at glengineering.co. Again, let's thank eBikezilla. The bike came perfectly set up. The suspension was perfectly set up. All we had to do was make a custom kit and tune, and now it is the I would say if you're 5'8" or taller, this is the bike that you need. Super flush, super clean, a lot of power. Anyway, information is in the description. Have a good day.